Welcome. Today we're going to take a look at how to create our laser engraving image and design for our iPad amplifier. To start off on the computer, we're going to go to the window in the bottom left hand corner and we're going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and I want to find Word 2016. Right away, once the program opens up, we're going to go to the top File tab, click on that to select it, and we're going to go to Save As. We're going to select our Browse folder, and we want to choose our H drive. Now if you don't see your H drive here, you may have to click on the arrow in front of this PC to expand, and then you'll be able to find your H drive. Once your H drive is selected, we're going to give this file a name. We're going to type in our last name, and we're going to enter in laser amplifier after that. So your last name and then laser amplifier. We're going to change the file type from Word document to Word 97 2003 document. It's the third from the top in the list. Once you have that completed, click Save. Next, we're going to create the size that we want our page to be. So we're going to go up to the top and we're going to select the layout, choose size from the options below, and we want to go to more paper sizes. We're going to change the width of our page to 8, the height of our page to 8, and now we're going to select our margins tab. Each of these margins, for the top, the left, the bottom, and the right, we're going to change all to 0. So these are all 0, and then click OK. Next, we want to set this up for our iPad parts. So we're going to come up to the top and select Insert tab, and we're going to go to Shapes. We're going to choose the rectangle shape at the top, and we're going to click in the middle of our paper in order to place the rectangle. Moving your cursor onto the edge of the rectangle, you're going to right click, that's with your middle finger, right click, and we're going to choose Format Auto Shape Picture. Here for our color and lines, we're going to change that to red. Then we're going to switch from Colors and Lines tab to our Size tab. And here we're going to give us a height of 0.375. We're going to give us a width of 8, and then click OK. Now we're going to bring our cursor up to this red box that we created, and we're going to take and slide it right up to the top of our paper so that it's touching the top edge and the right and the left side of the screen. Going back to our Insert tab once again, we're going to select Shapes and Rectangle Shape again. Click to place it. Put your cursor on the line of the rectangle, right click, Format Auto Shape Picture. The size here, we're going to change to 1.5, and the width, we're going to change to 8. Now before we click OK, we're going to go back to that Colors and Lines, and we're going to change the fill here to no color, and then click OK. Now we're going to put our cursor on the edge of that rectangle line, and we're going to slide this up so that the red rectangle and this white rectangle just touch edges together. Okay? The red rectangle represents the cover for my iPad amplifier, and this white rectangle represents the iPad amplifier itself, where the laser is going to go. Okay? Next, let's go get one of our graphics. We're going to go up to our Insert tab along the top, and we're going to go to Pictures. Once again, if you don't see your H drive over here on the left hand side, click on the little arrow in front of this PC to expand. We're going to select our H drive and then scroll down to the bottom, and you're going to find your image that you want to place on here and click Insert. Remember, this is the PNG image. Now you can see that our image is behind the red rectangle, so we're going to go up and select our Format tab and then go to Wrap Text, and we want to be in front of text. You can see now my image is in front of that shape. I'm going to use the handle, the little gray dots in the right hand corners, top right, top left, and bottom left corners. to size my graphic. Place that where I want it on my rectangle. I can use the little green dot at the top of my image in order to rotate it if I like that. Now let's talk about adding text. We're going to go back to our Insert tab once again. And we're going to come all the way over almost to the right hand side and select this funny looking blue A that says Word Art. I can choose any of these at the top, but just choose the ones at the top. Out of the 5 that are here, I'm going to choose the 4th one in. Once this Edit Word Art text comes up, this area here you can take and choose what font you want it to be. I'm going to change mine to Arial Black. Okay, you can choose any font you like. Then I'm going to highlight my text and I'm going to type in what I want to laser engrave. Okay, I'm going to type Butler Bulldogs. You're going to enter in your text here. Click OK when you're done. Once again, you can see how my text is behind that red rectangle. So I'm going to click on my Format tab, go to Wrap Text, and I want to be in front of text. Once I have that done, now I can take and move my text onto the screen where I want it to be in the white area. I can use the handles, the gray dots, and I can size it to different sizes that I want it to be. I can use this little diamond that's in here to change how that text shape looks. I'm going to make mine straight rather than curved in the middle. And then I can center it and place it where I want on my iPad amplifier. Remember, this red rectangle represents your iPad amplifier cover. This white area here is the area that's going to be laser engraved. This is your iPad amplifier. And once we're done with that, we're going to go up to the top and we're going to go to File and go down to Save. Excellent. Congratulations. You have this done. You're ready to move over to the computer that is connected to the laser engraver. We'll see you at the next video.